so I'm out on the Patton and just wanted to see, I've done a couple of trail rides now, and this thing is amazing. It's just like I said on my last video, it's like riding a magic carpet ride. My other was a Sherman Max, so you obviously feel, you know, a lot of the bumps and stuff like that you would on a trail. This thing, like, you hardly feel it, which is good and bad. So good in that, you know, it's a more comfortable ride. Bad, I think, is that can lure you into that full sense of security that you can pretty much go over anything. So I think I'm still learning that about having more suspension wheel and being able to sort of do more. And, you know, I've been going up and down this trail of, I don't know, 25, 26, 27 miles an hour, and, you know, it just rips along. So yeah, it's a different kind of riding, but I love this thing. I think if I had one, literally my only gripe, I think, well, a couple of gripes. So one is the charge port placement, bloody ridiculous. You kind of have to fumble around. It's so the front sort of section, I'll show you. So there, and you pull that cover off, which is really good because it's a bit more sealed, but they're really inside, and if you're charging it, it's right underneath where the front bull bar is as well, so it's a bit awkward. So that's a bit of a pain. So Kim, if you're going to adjust anything, maybe make that easier somewhere else. I don't know. That I liked where it was on the Sherman on the back. It's nice and easy to get to, so you could probably do something like that, or just away from the bull bars is where the problem is. So that's one thing. The other thing is I've just got I got a seat that came today from AliExpress, about 80 quid, so it's not bad, it's really good. Has that, let's turn this off. So it has that, and it lifts up that for the trolley handle, but I do feel like it's lower down compared to the Sherman. Now it might be because of the suspension, obviously lowers you down when you're doing that. So I don't know, it's going to take a bit of practice to seat on this one compared to the Sherman. The Sherman's higher. I've got quite a really nice seat. If you've seen my other videos, you see it's got a really nice plush seat on there, and that just gives it enough height just to sort of drop down quite easily. So that's one thing, although I'm not sure whether I'll need so much seating on this one compared to the others, just because this is going to be more my trail riding wheel than my sort of road wheel, and I might even consider putting a road tyre on the Sherman. I'm not sure yet. yeah, good another test of the Patton. Honestly, I absolutely love this wheel. I think probably with my weight, which is about 81, 82 kilos, I'm on the 66-pound suspension. I think I'd easily get about 40 to 45 mile range, which for a trail wheel, that's more than fine. You know, that's a good day out. My Sherman Max, I can generally get about near on 100 miles. Obviously depends on, you know, how fast you ride it and terrain and, you know, all that sort of good stuff. But this wheel is just amazing. It's so cool. I love riding it. The suspension has just made all the difference, especially to my knees. My knees from years of running have kind of largely kind of shot, so like, you know, it's a bit of more suspension is obviously an absolute godsend. If you do want to get this or anything else like unicycle wise, there is a discount code for e-rides in the description. There's also ESK8 Shop, various other links, Insta360s and all that sort of stuff. Really helps me, helps the channel, and obviously gives you guys a bit of discount. So, you know, feel free to use those codes. Yeah, I don't know. For now, it's the Sherman Max for my kind of longer range and more, not necessarily street riding, but like, you know, that kind of really long range cruiser type wheel. My Patton for trails and maybe shorter rides and things like that. And for fun, and I've got an A2 on the way as well, which after Marty's little mishap I will be checking the power supply on that one just to make sure before I ride it. I don't really need anything like that happening to me, so yeah, keep it here. Just a short little video, ride around my normal neck of the woods. It's between rain, and it does look like it's clouding over. Look, you can see those horrible dirty clouds in between the sunshine, and unfortunately that's happened quite a bit lately, where you think, oh, I'm going to go out for a ride, and then it absolutely chucks it down and you can't. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll get back before it rains. But anyway, take it easy on. Bye.